In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the downloads folder location in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started, okay? So open Microsoft Edge, click on that. By the way, I have just prepared this downloads folder that we are going or that is located in the desktop, okay? So open Microsoft Edge, maximize it. Now simply click on the three dots and then here we need to scroll down and click on settings. And from here, we can find downloads. Click on that. And here you have the location. So simply click on change. Now click on desktop. And then we need to choose this downloads folder and click on select folder. And then, so now the location has been changed to users how to desktop downloads. Okay. So if we're going to download, let's say for example, so if we're going to download Google Chrome, hit enter. And then we can find this option. And if we click on this download button, okay, so the setup file has been downloaded. Now let's see. If I click on the downloads folder right here on the desktop, and here it is, the downloaded setup file for Google Chrome has been saved right here on the downloads folder in desktop. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.